People here are very, very frightened. People are crying. People are shaking.
What happened in New York on September 11, 2001 shook the world, and it has led businesses to think hard about how they would survive any future disaster.
Yes, that's quite a major incentive to let us think about how to protect the data.
Nelson Lam is manager for the Information Technology Department at the Bank of East Asia, Hong Kong's largest independent Chinese bank. The bank has more than 150 outlets worldwide. Its total assets worth more than $23 billion. And just like real money, the company's data, in the form of internal and external messages, are an asset that banks cannot afford to lose.
I think we lost the trust from our customers. And that is a very big impact to the bank's image.
The Bank of East Asia is one of Hong Kong's best because it wants to avoid the mistakes of others. A few years ago, one Hong Kong bank lost access to some of its data. That disrupted service in its retail branches and stopped customers from withdrawing their own money.
The real chance of a catastrophe is why the Bank of East Asia needed a good plan to manage, store, and recover its data. The first priority? To quickly recover its email from more than 1,800 staffers all over Hong Kong. The bank says email is a critical office application.
The email is also important to the management because they receive the information from directly from their business partners or customers.
And if you lose that, what happens?
I think this is disastrous.
So the Bank of East Asia searched for the right software to back up its email servers in 6 locations. The bank's partner, Microsoft, recommended Veritas. Veritas is well known in the industry as the leading maker of software to manage and store data.
Actually, we've used Veritas software before, and we are very comfortable with the reliability of the software. We are able to back up the data and restore the data that we want.
Restoring the data they want means the software is reliable. Otherwise, it's useless. In addition to reliability, a second reason the bank chose Veritas, the software's performance. In the past, backing up the servers, containing 500 gigabytes of email every week, required 5 hours. Today, it takes about 1/2 that time.
It is more than 50% better in performance than the other software.
This also makes the bank's IT staff more productive without adding more people. In addition to performance and reliability, the third reason the bank chose Veritas, the openness of its software.
Because we have a heterogeneous environment in here, we have Unix platforms, Microsoft platforms, and for this platform, we can use the same software to back up all the data.
The Veritas solution of backing up email has worked so well, the bank is now applying the solution to other parts of the business, such as internet banking and internet trading. Nelson Lam says he feels his bank can now handle a crisis, just like it can handle losing power.
If we lose the electric power, if we have got an electric generator, then we can restore the power within seconds. I think that's quite similar to a backup software. If we lose the data and we have a reliable backup software and having a good performance, we can restore the data in seconds.
Serving